Today, everyone, listen to me. We're doing a grasshopper. This was originated in New Orleans, I believe, right? Yeah, New Orleans. We know facts. It doesn't say that in this book, I just know that. Originally, this drink was a two-color Pussy Cafe consisting of Creme de Cacao and Creme de Menth, with or without a cream float. Recently, however, it has developed into a so-called cocktail consisting of equal parts of white creme de cacao, creme de menthe, and sweet cream. It's shaken with cracked ice. One bar in New York City cuts down on the cream and adds blackberry brandy. That sounds disgusting. This results in a rather muddy-looking locust, but with or without the blackberry as a cocktail, it is strictly vile. So this dude hates grasshoppers. Gotta be honest, this sounds like a real, it's just liqueur and cream, so this is like, sounds like a gut bomb. Probably kind of tasty.
Curdly.
Yeah, like a Girl Scout cookie, liquid with liquor. Liquid liquor Girl Scout cookie. Liquid liqueur Girl Scout cookie. Let's do this. So since it's equal parts, we're just going to do one shot of everything. You know, this way. Not that big of a drink. There's three of these jiggers. Not like last week. Holy mackerel. Link in description. It won't be. So first part is creme de menthe. I didn't say that. Also, one part, creme de cacao. Everything's cream. It says white creme de cacao, but I've never seen that even in the store. Some of this stuff is like impossible to find in real life because we don't live in 1940. I understand why it would be white though, because this is going to take away the green color a lot. Here's the cream. We're doing half and half because holy crap. Straight cream? What are you, crazy? Creamy. Ooh. Oh wow, it's still quite green.
It's pretty.
Oh
it's
yeah.
It's like jade.
That's gorgeous. And then I'm just going to put ice in it because this isn't that big of a drink, so I don't need to use a whole shaker. Dirty up a glass. We can just do that. And that looks, shoot, I'm going to have to do a actual picture of this for the thumbnail because it actually is quite pretty. You want to try it? You don't like mint, but like...
It does smell like an Andes candy.
Yeah. It might be good.
Oh, it's really good. I'm really shocked. It tastes like very Christmassy. It's a really good Christmas drink because it's minty chocolate.
Dude.
Not peppermint. It's a different mint, so it's really complimentary.
This is really nice.
That's actually really good.
I had such huge doubts. I've heard of a grasshopper my whole life. I know a little bit of the history of it, and I always thought it sounded gross because I've never liked to. I think of like maybe one thing that used creme de menthe, and this is freaking delightful.
That's really good.
Yeah, so highly recommend it, especially that 'tis the season, y'all. It's a very Christmassy drink, and like and subscribe buttons are everywhere. I've been putting things in the video, so do it up, baby.